Good morning, everybody. Today and last night, I arrived here at the Davy Crockett National Forest, and you can see there's only one camper I've seen over there, and I think they mowed the grass maybe for the winter, because before it was overgrown, but now it's cleaner than before. And I know you might have seen my previous videos on this campground, but I'll probably stay here one more night. It looks very nice, except the trees are so tall. It's blocking out most of the sunlight, so when I stay here I don't get much solar power. That is why I don't really generally do not want to stay here long term, because I will not have enough battery power. Last time I stayed here, I can get only a maximum of 30%. And if I use my refrigerator, it needs 50% of my battery. So this is not a good place for solar power, but it's a very nice place to camp. Very quiet, you can only hear the birds. So what am I gonna do today? Maybe I'm gonna do some unboxing of the gifts I received over Christmas. Maybe that's what I should do. Okay, today we're gonna try to do some unboxing of Christmas gifts I received when I stayed with my high school classmates' family. They gave me a bunch of gifts, so I want to thank them. Especially they requested me to, or they invited me to stay with them over Christmas, and I'm so happy I get a break from camping. Although I love camping a lot, but it's nice to have breaks now and then, you know, to recharge yourself and to get back to comforts in life, especially showers, hot showers, and also to have some other people to talk to, because as a solo camper I go for days with nobody to talk to, and it's also good because I can avoid the pandemic chances to get the virus. But at least with some friends or acquaintance, maybe relatives, it would also be good to be with people. So we are social animals. So when I was camping on Long Branch, Texas before Christmas, sheriff came, and I don't know if it was clear on the video. It was dark. It was like 11 p.m. I didn't even know what time it was. I was sleeping. They woke me up and asked me why I was camping, and I explained to them I was camping because I have a YouTube channel, and they asked me what channel. I said Fun or Not, and they were they're not, I don't know if they're curious or not, but they just want to check because I was the only one camping there. So they checked my license, and you know, they ran my background or whatever, and then because I had all my gears inside the car because the forecast was gonna rain. And then the next day, the 24th, I was going to my friend's house, so I have everything inside the car, so they didn't see anything outside. They probably thought it was suspicious to have somebody park in a county park. It was a county park, and I don't have any camping gears out. So although they can see I have a rooftop carrier, but maybe that's not enough to look like a camper. So it means I'm a stealth camper. But a stealth camper, that's the disadvantage, because now you don't look like a camper and now you look suspicious. So I don't know, but well, maybe it's debatable if you really want to be stealth camper or not, but it looks like I am a stealth camper if I don't have my gears out. So maybe next time I'll try to camp in the streets or in downtown, but I don't really like to do that one. I like nature, you know. So it's better to be. I would rather be camping in nature than in an urban setting. But it looks like I'm a stealth camper, and now I'm distracted now. I'm supposed to do some unboxing of gifts. So let's start. First, um, they gave me, well, again, thanks for the gifts. They gave me this. It says trail body. So you probably won't guess what it is, but ta-da! It's a pair of walking sticks, because that's probably why they call it trail bodies. So you could walk. There's several attachments, and this and it's adjustable length, so you can customize the length for how you walk. And I read, and they have a lot of attachments at the end, so you can put either a wider one, and even this one, I think maybe in the snow, or I don't know about ice, but snow or sand, so you could have more traction. So you can, I think, change the ends, and it's really good. It's light, so now I have to look for a mountain to climb or something, because it's really made for climbing slopes. So you can have it, if you go up the slope, you have to shorten the stick, so you don't have to be up like this. And then if you go down the slope, you have to lengthen it, so make it longer, so you don't have to stoop. So it's the good thing is because it's adjustable, but I have to try it. It's trail body. So, well, thank you again. This was given to me by my friends I camped when we went to Grand Canyon. So thank you for my friend and her, well, both of them are my friends. They're husband and wife, so thank you. And then the next one I have, so this is, I believe this is the so my mask, one of the sons, and it's also husband and wife with that baby on that contest. He gave me a nice cute mug. It says "Let's go camping," and a Chick-fil-A gift card. So if I really like fried chicken, so this will be good for me. They have nice chicken sandwiches. And so thank you again. And one of her daughters gave me a gift with a nice bell. So I kept this one. It's gonna be useful for like early warning device or something. I'll probably rig it up. But she gave me a very nice hand warmer. It's a 5200 hand warmer. I don't know what this is, what it means. Maybe that's the model number. But this is also very nice, because remember in the winter it gets so cold, and I always wish it's gonna be warmer, but it's hard to put to use the propane heater when you're sleeping. So in the middle of the night, it will be very handy. And it's small. It's got USB reversible charger, and it's have the cable for recharge. So it's a rechargeable, and it has the nice carrying bag and the instruction. So hand warmer is really, it's very cute. So it says Carousel, so that's probably the brand. So it would be, I haven't used it yet. It's warm today, and last night it was warm relatively. It's probably in the 60s or 50s. It's not that cold. It's cold will be in the 40s and 30s, but this would be, you know, you can warm your hands, you can hold it like this, and then you can recharge it. And then you can also, if you need power, because you can recharge the battery and got enough power, you can recharge your phone's devices using it. So, and especially when it gets cold, I can warm my feet with this, you know. So at night this will be very useful. Again, thank you. It's one of my friend's daughters who gave me this. It was really nice Christmas. I was glad. I was so happy they invited me over and they gave me gifts. So I thank them again. And I think I have another one. Let me see. Okay, another gift I got was, ta-da! This is a gift from my high school classmate and her wife, and I think her son was, because her son was young, so I included that the three of them gave me this. But this is very good. I really need headlamp, you know, especially if I'm gonna start cooking at night. So this one is made from, it says Zero Dark. It's got two pieces. It says tactical set, a lantern and a headlamp. So when you open it, you got the instructions and a card, and says, are you happy with the product or not? But I haven't tested it. So we open it. It came with AAA and AA batteries. So there's a huge lamp. So you could carry it like that, and then you can lower it so that you can have just how much light you want and raise it. And it's LED. So this looks like a very good product, because with an LED it would use less battery power and it give you a good nice intensity. So it says 2-mile light berm. So it's got a very nice, it can give a light visible up to 2 miles. Wow, that is really nice, because it says it's a tactical, and it's a wide angle berm beam. So it's a beam, and it's shock resistance, and you can have it hands free, and it's 5 swivel positions. Or maybe that's for the headlamp. So I'm gonna install the battery, and I have to figure out where it is. Oh, it's at the bottom. So we just unscrew the bottom and load the batteries here. So I'm gonna load that one for tonight. I can use it. And then it's got the headlamps, and it's also LED, so that would save battery too, so it will last longer. So it's 5 positions, so it can move it, and it's ratcheting, so it can stay in place, and it's lightweight, and it will probably use the AAA battery. So I guess the battery will probably come out from the side, or I'll figure out where the battery will go. Here at the back probably. There's like opening. I'll have to find out and read the instructions. For once, we should read the instructions first before using it. And it's got this for the headband, you got on the top of the head, and then you have this headband, so it probably goes like this. Cool. Thank you very much again, and for all the gifts I received. And what else did I have? And the last thing, when we played the white elephant, I was able to get the water bottle. This is it looks like it's insulated. It says here double wall stainless steel vacuum water bottle. So if I fill it with cold water in the summer or hot water during this winter season, it's gonna keep the water, or maybe drink tea. I'm not really a coffee drinker, but hot tea would stay here hot for a long time. Or if I just need water and It's got this cover that's easy twist, easy off. So this is very useful too. So thank you for the gifts, but it's from the white elephant. We contributed, everybody contributed white elephant gift, and everybody will just choose it. Christmas stuff, and thank you again for the Christmas presents. All of them are very useful, very practical gifts.